Hi, this is Jackie from Quick Flip Decor with a taste of steampunk. Now today we are going to do a version of steampunk, and you want to experiment because there's so many things you can do. You can use vintage decor, you can use decor that is new but looks vintage. There's so many wonderful things out today that you can purchase online, or you just look around, and sometimes you may have things already at home. I have a lot of antiques and it kind of works with this. Now, the Industrial Revolution brought on this idea that it could be possible to have time travel. Now, time travel from the Victorian era into present day. Now, that may not be possible, that we're aware of. In your home, you could bring about the illusion of the time travel, taking a few pieces that look Victorian, bringing them in with the present day look, and having your own version of steampunk. Here we have a pillow with the time clock. I'm going to use a little bit of a teal color with a little bit of taupe draping. Now this is a pillow cover I made out of a jacket of mine, and I just put in a few things with a few sprockets and a few little dials, very like what you would see in the mechanisms of a clock. And this is like an old pilot jacket or a pilot jacket replica. Here's something really fun. Here's another slip cover I made. One of those really flouncy lace tops. Why not do something like this? You could all do the nice beautiful pillows with the nice little slices in the middle, and if you want to be different, try something like this. So all I did was I tacked these two on the top, maybe 3 little tacks, sewed them up a bit. I don't sew very much. Took a piece of black ribbon and put a few little sprockets on it, and then just tied the sleeves up like this. So that gives you a little bit of color, because basically we're going to work with brown and teal. A little bit of gold, a little bit of brass. We have things like this. They're very interesting. This has a camera with bellows, and it sort of gives you the idea of history. Also, I will have a few pictures that is going to show you things that I have that will be working around the surrounding of the room. Something you can think about if you love vintage decor. Mr. Transmission in St. Albert gave me these. I've got 3 of them. They come out of a tranny, of a car. Symbols. Symbols from my drum, my father-in-law's drum. Okay, so now we're back. This really didn't take much at all. We have the pillows in place with the little sprockets and dials. Here's a steampunk hat. It shows the goggles, and it shows that the possibility of time travel. And that's really what you want to do. You want to give people something fun to look at. Imagine the possibilities. I know the jacket seems a little different to do for a pillow cover, but you have pockets where you can put your remote in there, some Kleenex, candies, whatever you want. Steampunk's a bit of that industrial revolution time travel, the Victorian era brought to present day. And this has been Jackie and Charlie Forsyth from the Dave Forsyth Band with quick flip decor and a taste of steampunk. What do you think, Charlie? Yeah, what do you think?
There are many more videos on the Dave Forsyth Band channel, so please come on over and subscribe. We've got a few new ones coming up real quick, along with a few live feeds, so don't forget to check back regularly.